Hello guys. Actually, I'm studying VR development using Unity Engine with Oculus Quest 2, and I built this Xsim to test some features. And today I will test a little feature I have developed today. So we have one, two, three, four lights in this ball. Basically, the feature consists in when I catch this ball, this sphere, nothing happened. But when I push the throttle, all these lights have to turn off, and the ball will change the color to red. So I'm pushing the trigger now, and the lights turn off, and ball is red. When I'm leaving, the lights turn on, and the ball is white. Repeating, pushing, leaving, pushing, leaving, pushing, leaving, push the throttle, leaving the throttle. So that's working.